Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Just click start menu and just go to settings option. So once you go to settings option, there is plenty of option will be available. Just choose a system. Once you choose the system will have a different kind of option. Just scroll down, you will get option called recovery. So once you select the recovery option, there is a fix problem without resetting your PC or reset this PC. So you just select a reset this PC, just select this one as a reset PC. Once you select a reset as a PC, it will ask you two options: keep my file, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove everything, so you can remove all your personal file, apps and settings, so that if you select this remove everything means everything will erase and your laptop will look like a new laptop, so you can give to anyone. Otherwise you can keep your files in your laptop itself, and you can reset means your Windows will be reset, your software will be erased and your personal file will be there, so you can start from the beginning. So you can choose whatever things you want. I just select keep my files and select this one. So this one take a long time to prepare your PC. So what are the software you want to remove, everything will be displayed within a second, so that it is easy to have access. So you can recover everything to remove, erase everything, so that it will be easy. So current settings, restore this app settings that came with this PC. So if you want to change the setting, you can change the setting. Otherwise just click additional settings and give next option. So it will getting ready for your PC to remove entire list of your software, your unwanted files in your PC. It will be make your PC too slow. So if you remove everything will be removed and it will ask you to clean up your PC. So ready for reset this PC. Resetting will change the settings, their default, and keep personal files and reinstall Windows from this device. Remove all apps did not come with this PC. So default app will be there, but uninstall your PC means every app will be uninstall, only the files which is the default application will be stored here. So this will take while your PC will restart and BitLocker will encrypt, temporarily suspend your processing. So if you want, you just click here for reset. Automatically your PC will be erase entire data and make your PC fresh and neat, so that it will be easy to have your work without any other hesitation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.